Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing experiments. First, put the egg in the vinegar and put it for 24 hours.
You can see that bubbles are forming around the egg. This is because eggshells are made up of calcium carbonate and the eggshells will absorb the acid and break down. The calcium carbonate will become carbon dioxide gas, which is what the bubbles which form around the egg is. Now, the container that we used was a little small, so we had to change to a bigger container. We used a mug here. You can use any container that you like, but the egg has to be fully submerged in it.
Okay guys, it's been 24 hours. Let's see what the egg looks like. What the egg looks like?
Now, the egg has become bouncy and like a boiled egg, but the insides are still watery.
Thanks for watching. See you next time and subscribe my YouTube channel. Take the balloon.